What is going on, guys? Hope this message finds you all in good spirits. This is Zuber's World and we're here on a new adventure in a new country. I just picked up my car and we are driving now to a landlocked country. It's a country inside another country. It's also the least visited country in Europe. So can you guess which one it is? So this is my rental car for this weekend. Alright guys, I'm here at the garage. I told them that I didn't want to drive this stupid purple Lamborghini, and they gave me three options: either to take this Volkswagen Tiguan or this brand new Audi A3 or a Jaguar I-Pace. I don't see the Jaguar here, but I don't want to see it anyways because it's an old man's car and I'm not 60 years old, I'm just 32. So I chose this Audi. Ta-ta! This car has 1,630 kilometers. It's brand new, guys! Wow! I just arrived in Bologna, Italy, and I picked up this amazing car which will take me to country number 51. I'm going to visit the least visited country in Europe. It's also the 5th smallest country in the world. Only Vatican City, Monaco, Tuvalu and Nauru are smaller than this city. So let's go to this journey and a new adventure in country number 51. Stay tuned. And here we are, live in San Marino. The least visited country in Europe. Look at the views. The road that is going there, the castle on top of that mountain. There are 3 castles over there. Wow, let's go. So this is what a least visited viewpoint in San Marino looks like. On the left you can see the country, the mountains. Those are Italian mountains. And on this side, this is the big San Marino mountain with the 3 castles or towers on top of them. Centro Vacanze San Marino. Let's go to my hotel. Houston, we have a problem. I tried to unlock the door. I put my key here inside and it broke. Look, the other part of the key is inside. Oh no. Now we have to go back to the car, go back to the reception, and they have to give me another house because, yeah, they have to remove the key from the keyhole. Oh shit. Going to help me. You are from San Marino or from Italy?
I'm from Sicily.
Oh, from Sicily. Okay, good. And you are going to help me open the door.
I'll try, otherwise I'm going to break every day. No, I'm joking. Otherwise I'm going to give you another room.
Yeah, okay.
Now with something easy, we can fix. But if we need to work a lot, we'll see tomorrow. I'm going to give you the other room.
Okay, no problem. $24. This is the one. This is the bad boy. Yep. Oh, you opened it. Magic. Okay, the door opened, but we could not fix the key that was stuck inside, so I got number 20 right now. So, second chance. Easy. Easy. Okay. How can I? Okay, now I'm afraid to break everything. I didn't know my hands had superpowers, you know. Okay, let's close the curtains. So here we are. It's my bed. TV that I don't use. The sun is shining. I can put my stuff over here. Let's see the shower, the most important thing. Okay. Okay. Nice. So what we're gonna do now, I didn't eat yet, so... And this is my first pizza in San Marino.
It's me, Mario!